Here's what I needed to replace the crankshaft position sensor on the back of the 2003 SL500. This is the one I put a brand new crank sensor in when I installed the C55 motor. I need about a foot of 1/4 inch extensions, a E8 external 8 torque socket. You might be able to get away with like a 7mm or 1/4 inch. Some regular sockets fit them if you figure out which one. Then 10mm to get these 2 bolts, them 2 bolts, and them 2 bolts right there. You don't have to take off the match sensor. People have been taking it off, and I did take it off. I wanted to make sure all the hoses, these are all new PCV hoses. All the connectors were on the good. Don't forget to put the crank sensor back on. It worked pretty quickly doing that. I laid the engine's hot. I wanted to see if it would pull any codes on Foxwell, what's it, NT510 bends. So you can start it up right now. That didn't show any misfires, any codes. It had a code for secondary air. But I'm gonna wait for this to warm up again, see if it'll start running rough at idle. When I was doing the Rodeo, it stalled a couple times. So we'll see how it runs now when it gets warm. Probably took 15 minutes to replace it. Like I said, the engine's hot, so I threw a towel over the engine right here so I could lean on it. I didn't really need it. I mean, that was pretty much a straight shot once you remove the firewall panel to it. Two tools, the E8 and a 10mm for the 2 screws, and done in 15 minutes.